In this video, I'm going to show you how to mine Solana. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser and then look up Unminable. Unminable is a platform that will allow you to go ahead and mine cryptocurrencies, including Solana. So let's go ahead and press on this link over here from the official unminable.com website. Now, when you first load into this website, it will say start earning Bitcoin, but you guys could actually change it to start earning Solana, which it does appear right over here. So let's go ahead and press on Solana, and then there you go. We could literally start earning Solana. So now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on this button that does say get started. And from here, you need to go ahead and select your setup mode. So we have the basic mode. With the basic mode, you only need to do 6 steps. However, if you do select on the advanced, then you want to specify the region server, the port, and the worker name. So if that's something that you're interested in, then definitely go ahead and consider taking a look at the advanced setup mode. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select on basic just like so. And then from here, you need to go ahead and select on your mining hardware. We can go ahead and mine using our graphics card or our CPU. So most of you guys are probably going to go with graphics card. So all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on that. And then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on your mining algorithm. And this is basically what is going to get you the result. So it's really important that you do your research and select which algorithm does work best for you. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and select on Kapow right over here because it does seem to give us some pretty solid performance. So let's go ahead and press on that like so. And now where it says select your coin or token, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and mine the coin that you are most comfortable with. Now, because this is a Solana tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and just select on Solana. It doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, you're going to get paid out in Solana, so you will be good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on Solana just like so. And now what we need to do is we need to input our Solana address. Now, here's where things get really, really important, guys. Make sure that you do put in the correct address, because if you even make one mistake in the address, then it could ruin the whole entire thing and you might just lose all your crypto and like your earnings and stuff like that. So that's not good. So anyways, guys, for this video, I'm just going to be using Phantom Wallet, and I'm just going to go ahead and put my Solana address right over here. So I'm just going to quickly enter in my password. All right, so here's my Solana account. So what I need to do is I need to go ahead and press on receive and then select on Solana, copy the address, and then paste it in here. And then there you go. We should be good to go. So all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on next once we are done with that. And from here, you guys could use a referral code. So if you do have a referral code from like maybe another content creator, then you need to go ahead and input it right over here. But for this video, I'm just going to select on continue with our referral code. And then once you're done with that, it is going to bring you to a page that does look like this. So over here is going to give you all of the different types of miners that you could use in order to mine Solana. Now, I personally recommend that you guys use Gminer. Gminer is pretty good because it will allow you to basically use most of the mainstream graphics cards out there. We also do have the option for Windows and Linux as well, which is honestly pretty cool. Now, before you press on download bat file, you need to go ahead and press on official documentation. And then from there, it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this, where you can go ahead and take a look at all the different commands, all the different features that the miner does have to offer. So I strongly suggest that you take this a good read, just so you know what you're doing whenever you are mining Solana. All right, so once you read the documentation, you need to go ahead and download the miner file. So go ahead and press on that like so. And then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. It is going to bring you to a GitHub page. And then all you need to do is you need to scroll down, and from here, go ahead and install the Gminer for whatever operating system you're using. So I'm using Windows, so I would go ahead and download this right over here. But if you're on Linux, then you need to go ahead and press on this one just like so. Regardless, you should be able to get the job done, and I already installed it previously. But more importantly, you want to make sure that after you do download it, that you do unzip the file, which you should be able to do by right-clicking on it, and then there's going to be an option that it says extract files, and you want to go ahead and press on that. So I already did that process, but if you haven't already, then you need to go ahead and do that. So make sure to unzip this file after you download it. All right, guys. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that does say download.bat file. And then it might give you something like this where it says unverified download block. So just go ahead and press on download unverified file. And for clarity purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop the file over here just to make things a bit easier to actually visualize. Now, what you want to do is you want to put this file inside of the Gminer file that we did just make. So remember how we extracted the Gminer file folder? What you need to do is you need to open that folder and drag and drop this file inside of that folder. And once you're done with that, all you need to do is you need to double click on it just like so. And then it might give you something that looks like this where Windows protected your PC, but just press on more info, then go ahead and press on run anyway. Then it is going to give you a command box that does look like this. And from here, you guys can go ahead and start mining your cryptocurrencies and get paid out in Solana. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.